If you want to pull your crochets into a ponytail, try this braid pattern. I'm also going to show you a different way to install them. So for this one, if you want it where it looks more like an individual coming around the sides, you want to make sure that you angle your hook going in the direction of where the braid would be coming out from. So if this one's going to be pulling up, you want to make sure it's going down like how this one is. And then if we're going to be doing a side angle, we want to make sure that the braid is being positioned off to the side like I'm about to do this next one. So you pretty much angle all your braids in the direction it would be going pulled into a ponytail. If you need the braid pattern, I linked it in the description for you. All right, so I'm gonna show here and get my arm out the way. Now this is kind of awkward, so I had to do some cuts because my arm kept getting in the way. But you see how the angle goes down towards the ear, and it's the same for the other rest of them going up the side of the head. You just keep turning your hook more and more, going towards the shape of the ear. That way, as they're pulled into the ponytail, it looks and lays flat like a flat ponytail. Next, I'm going to show you one with someone that has a thinner density hair. This one hair is pretty thick, so if their hair is not this thick, this is where the braid pattern really comes into play, because if we are not able to do them where we're angling the hook going towards the ear, we have to do them where they're going down. Otherwise, it'll end up hurting the person's hair around their perimeter for the people that have the thinner hair. Now, people that don't have a really thin density with the hair, they're perfectly fine doing this, but the ones on this end, I typically like to do the hook going down, just so that way they have more security to the crochet as it's holding on to the braid. So always do about 2 around the perimeter, and then this will give you the pull-up effect like this one does. See, it still is going to look like the individuals, it's just not going directly as super flat as it could be. But you always want to make sure you keep the integrity of the hair.